Okay, y'all, I'm doing a little bit more today on the bus than what you've seen so far. And I'm going to be fixing this window. This window had a bad frame from here up to here. And so what I've done is I took the Dremel, or not the Dremel, but my little cutoff wheel, and I cut this section completely out of it. And then, with a hammer and a vise and a brake, I made this. And that's going to fit in there and replace that. So now all you need to do is make another piece. I'm probably going to cut it back here, make another piece to go all the way at the bottom, or at least meet that piece, and then weld it all in place. Yeah, it looks like crap right now because it took a lot of really big hammering to do that. But I'll take it back now that I know it fits. I'll take it back and smooth all that out. But you're not going to see it anyway because it's going to be under a rubber seal that will hold the window in place. So I'm proud of me. Hey, that worked out okay. I thought the sheet metal, or this metal, I think it's 16 gauge, would be way too heavy, but it appears to be just about the correct size. When you look down at it, they look pretty much, well, maybe it's a little bit thicker, and but I think it still will work. And the whole purpose of that is just to hold that rubber in place so no water goes back down in here like it's been doing forever. And look at, see, it rotted this wood out and rotted this piece down here out. You can see that. Rot that piece out, so that's not good. But this should be able to stop this completely. And again, I bought a new welder, and I haven't welded for umpteen years, but I'm going to give it a whack and I'll learn, and I will make this work, and then I'll put this D window back in. Hope you're liking it. This is another chapter in the Brian's Bus Adventure.